Hello everyone, in this video we're going to look into a quick comparison between Gumloop versus N8n. So let's get started. So Gumloop, it's actually a more recently built platform. They focused on no-code or AI assisted workflows. It aims to let business users like marketing people or sales ops to build automations without needing much technical support. It has this drag and drop built-in function. That's how it works. N8n here actually it's an open source and a low code workflow automation tool. You can self-host or use their clouding offering. It offers a lot of flexibility from custom logic to API calls to code snippets. So which is better to use among these two platforms? So if you don't have a strong technical staff and you want to empower business users to build automations quickly, and you want to build in AI scrapping enrichment without managing external APIs or building those separately, and you're okay with simpler workflows but want speed and less configurations, in all these cases, then probably Gumloop will be the ideal option. So if you're in any of these categories, then try to use Gumloop. And if you need like tight control over infrastructure, and you need like self-hosting and data privacy, and you want to build complex workflows with a lot of branches, loops, error handling, and all those things, and you want like flexibility to extend via code and use uncommon APIs, in all those cases, then N8n will be a much better option compared to Gumloop if you are looking for either one of these in one of these categories. So that's basically pretty much it is. Hope the video helps.